Yo, it's Thomas Anthony, and today I just want to make a little vloggy style video of what the hell has been going on with me over the last 3 months. I've just been pumping out tutorials like it's going out of style, and I've been keeping it low-key in the theater, in the studio, but I've also had, in 2.5 months, 4 songs come out, which is kind of crazy, but it's been an action-packed month or a couple months, first quarter, and also had a music video, and I just want to talk about how sweet all that shit is and how well it's doing and what's going on in the future. Okay, yeah, right in the beginning of the year, oh, look who wants to join us. Look who wants to join us. You want to join us? This is my little baby. This is my little baby. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm a little puppy. Oh, you having a good, yeah, you're sitting so nicely? Okay. Yeah, so I had Crazy on You came out in the beginning of the month. Around the World, which was a Slap House tune. Oh, okay, you want to go down? Okay. Crazy on You, which was a pretty deep house cover that I made my cousin. It's doing super well. It just hit 50K on Spotify, and Spotify hit 30K. And on YouTube, the video, I think it hit 25K or something. So I was really happy about that because I've never promoted a music video, fully music video before. So the only outlets that I knew was YouTube, and managed to get it on 2 pretty huge channels, which was really sweet. And they promoted the video, which thank goodness, because my friend Gabe, shout out Gabe's, and his media company, Cut Through Media, did a music video for that. And then they also did a music video for The Scientist, which the song just came out, and the music video is gonna be coming out soon. So if you ever want a music video and you're in the Edmonton area, hit him up. I'll leave his link down in the description below. But yeah, that came out, was doing super well. Then the Slap House song came out, doing also very well. And then in February, on Valentine's Day, I had a song come out on Nora and Pure's label, which is called I Believe, on Enormous Tunes. And it's doing so well. It got featured on Sirius XM. Cash featured it on his radio station, which was super duper cool. And it's doing, yeah, like lots of DJs are playing it out. And then last Friday, I just had probably the best song I've ever made, and it was a cover of The Scientist by Coldplay. It's a drum and bass, liquidy drum and bass cover, and I'm super proud of it. And I have the music video. It's going to be coming out of me playing the piano and the drums, and my cousin singing, and that comes out in probably like 2 weeks. So so much exciting stuff happening, and it's taken me so long to just figure out what the heck was going on, because I've made all these songs last year, and they're finally coming out. And I have another song coming out in March or April called it's a cover of Mad World, which will also be really sweet. Now, I do have some cool stuff coming up for the next quarter, and that's kind of what I've been focusing on trying to create in this quarter, was figuring out a game plan. I got my little light here. Figuring out a game plan of what I'm going to do for the next quarter and what I'm building up for over the next year, because over the last year, I was just trying to really get back into like sharpening my skills of production, and I have really done that in building the mentoring program, helping out as much students as I possibly can. There's a link down in the description below if you want to find out more about that. But I really wanted to just like build all that and have that fucking solid, and then move on forward onto my own artist project and put lots of time and effort into that. And what my goals are for this upcoming year is to build up a portfolio so that I can get booked for some big and awesome gigs and start playing and touring around again. Because things are open, baby, and I'm itching to play some awesome fucking shows. I'm just itching. So if you want to book me, you know, my contact information is in the link description below. But over the last couple months, I have just been really focusing on what sound I want to make over the next, over the course of my career, because you want to make. I was talking with Kyle Watson, and I was like, hey, what move should I make to kind of build up an artist's career? And he was like, you want to make people anticipate the music that you have coming out. And over the last year, I had just finished all these projects, and I really wanted to get them out as just like pieces of art that I really liked, and I wanted to get out into the world. But it wasn't really building my artist brand for like club stuff, so to speak. So I'm really happy all these things are coming out and they're doing really well and people are really enjoying them. But now it's focus time, and I'm building a portfolio of music that's going to want to make you come out to the club and see me perform. Because I've been playing lots of stuff live on my piano and my drums, and I've been making just banging music, which is going to be coming out close to summer here. So I got a bunch of awesome collabs with some awesome artists, and yeah, I'm just stoked, and that's what I'm focusing on over the next little bit. It's just making club music, getting it signed to dope labels, and pushing it out and trying to get book as many shows as possible, because it's really difficult when you're making chill liquid drum and bass and like mid-tempo and then like sexy deep house. You're not gonna get booked at festivals for that kind of stuff, at least from my experience. Or I don't know, like maybe you'd get booked for like a beach party or something, but for the clubs that I want to play at and the festivals and shows that I want to do, I gotta make some more banging music, and I have a whole stack of it made and just ready to go. So that's what I'm doing over the next year. And I also want to incorporate a live element into it, because when I see DJs or producers playing stuff live, it really just sucks me into the show, and I'm like, whoa, and then I'm like, oh yeah, it sounds so good as well. So I'm really, really stoked about that, and that's what I've been focusing on over the last little bit. And like I said, I have the music video comes out in 2 weeks. If you want to check out The Scientist, I believe there's all links to everything down below. You can check everything out, and the music video will be out in 2 weeks. Really proud of that. I'll put a little snippet in here just so you can see a little bit what it's about right now.
Oh, take me back to the start.
Okay, that was pretty cool. But yeah, I got so many club bangers coming out, and with all the bangers, I'm gonna be giving away sample packs and basically track breakdowns of all the music. So if you are interested in learning how to just improve your music and get better, and you want one-on-one help from me, there's a link down in the description below to the mentoring program. And there's also a free mixing and mastering bootcamp where I go through a whole track. I show you how to mix and master it using only stock plugins. There's a link down in the description below for that. Completely free. Just sign up, you give us your email, and then you get access to the course. I wanted to make it just so as just like a gift to everybody, because I know I was really confused when I was starting out and I didn't have money to like get mentors or to buy crazy plugins. So if that's something you're interested in, just link down below. But I just wanted to do a little video like this and give you an update on what is going on with me, because I've just been pumping out tutorials and I haven't really been talking about my artist stuff at all. And I have some sick ass tunes and I'm ready to just go to festivals and play with my lightsabers and just dance around, and then come back the next day and be inspired and make more music and travel around. And that is what my goals are, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be recording a lot more videos of me on the journey of that. So I hope you come along for the ride. Okay, until next week, we'll have more tutorials. I'll have a project breakdown of my I Believe song, and then after that, I'll be breaking down the drum and bass track. And then after that, will probably be Mad World. And then after that, will definitely be new music. Okay, till next time, peace.